Hey guys, it's Alex here from alextubi.com and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to discuss how to use Instagram for business. Typically, when you search for videos on this topic, you're presented with ways to get more followers or likes, but this video won't be like that. I personally don't think that vanity metrics are important and instead like to focus my efforts on using Instagram to help generate leads and sales in my business. And in this video, I'll show you how to do that in your business as well. But before we jump in, a quick word from our sponsor, Storyblocks. Storyblocks is a subscription service that gives you unlimited access to HD and 4K video footage created by industry-leading videographers. Whether you're a freelancer, content creator, or full-time video producer, Storyblocks can help bring your stories to life. The Storyblocks library contains millions of video clips, motion backgrounds, After Effects templates, audio files, and more to help you instantly uplevel your content and your brand. So if you're looking to take your video to the next level to increase your subscriber base, impress your boss, or land new clients, then Storyblocks is for you. To try out the Storyblocks Unlimited All Access Pass, then click the link in my description box below. When you're using Instagram for business, you need to look at it as a lead generation platform, not a social network. It's not about gaining followers, but rather finding potential customers for your business and exposing them to your offer. Most people think that that means that they have to post every day, pay for exposure, and resort to dancing on Reels, but it's just not true. Take my account, for example. Instagram sends me about 80% of my paying customers, yet I haven't posted since January. So what are my secrets? Well, number one is to write longer, value-driven captions to impress visitors and separate your feed from others in your niche. The reason why I can get away with leaving large gaps between posts is because the content I've already published is really high quality. So whether someone found it 3 months ago or today, it's still relevant, provides value to them, and makes them interested in what I have to offer. By focusing on providing value or educating, you position yourself as an expert and authority and instantly create interest in your product. So I follow a specific template for every one of my captions, and you can learn what that is by checking out this video here. Number two, 100% of the time you spend on Instagram should be spent engaging with potential customers. If you want to scroll on your own time, that's fine, but when you're using Instagram for your business, you need to get really intentional with what you're doing on the app. First, you should always prioritize responding to comments and any DMs that you might have. But outside of that, you should be liking, commenting, DMing, and following potential customers to entice them over to your account. Each action you take on a potential customer's feed leaves a notification for them, and most people find this really hard to ignore. So when they see your account in their notifications, they will check out your feed. So make sure you've got some good content and your bio is filled out in full for the best chances of converting them into a follower, or better yet, getting them to visit the link in your bio. 3. Use Instagram to gather important information about potential customers by utilizing polls. The poll feature in Instagram stories is great for generating engagement and telling the algorithm that your content is interesting. But it also represents a massive opportunity to gain insights about what your potential customers want. You can ask this or that questions to learn more about what they like or don't like and want to see from you in the future. You can also get creative with this and even allow them to help you create future offerings by asking questions like, what color should it be? What feature should be included? Or what topic should be taught? This not only allows you to create something that's desired, but also involves your audience, making them more likely to purchase when it goes live. Loving this video? Make sure you sign up for my free Instagram masterclass. It's called 10 Instagram Secrets Every Business Owner Must Know, and you're not going to want to miss it. Inside, I share 10 tips and tricks you haven't heard any other guru share before. The link is above and in the description box below. 4. Don't be afraid to openly promote. Too often, I see brands put a ton of effort into their Instagram strategy, but fail to actually sell to their audience. You created your account to help sell your product, so do not be shy about it. By utilizing my value-driven caption writing template, you can feel good about providing value while also asking for the sale at the same time. This can be as easy as explicitly telling your audience to click the link in your bio to purchase, or it can be expanded on further by providing all the information someone might want before they buy, such as the price, important shipping information, your refund policy, etc. You can add these details to the end of any caption or create dedicated posts for them to show transparency, instill confidence, and make more sales. 5. Use hashtags that describe your business or your target market, not just the subject matter of your photo. When it comes to hashtags, the best method is to ensure they describe all of your content, not just a singular photo. This way, you'll constantly be attracting your target market and not random people who don't need what you're offering. For example, if you're a florist, you'll want to use hashtags that describe your offering or your target market, such as hashtag floral arrangement, wedding flowers, and newly engaged. Not hashtags like hashtag lilies or bouquet. While the latter aren't wrong per se, they aren't going to attract the right person. Anyone might like lilies and want to look for them on Instagram, but people soon to get married and looking for a florist are most likely to be searching for hashtag wedding flowers. 6. Don't stress about all the features of Instagram. If you're not stoked on making reels, then don't. Posts, stories, and daily interaction with your target market is all I personally think you need to generate business with Instagram, so I would start there. If you want to do more, like a weekly live or reels that show off your product, that's great. Just make sure to track your efforts, and if they aren't leading to sales, stop doing them or change your strategy. 7. Use an incentive. Like I said at the beginning of this video, Instagram is a lead generation tool. So that means most sales don't actually happen on the app. It's just where you get the attention of potential customers. From there, you want to incentivize them to take the next step in your marketing funnel. For me, it's a free masterclass that leads to a paid offer, but for you, it might be a 10% off coupon code, a free trial, small gift, or a helpful download. This incentive will help push them over the edge by making your product more appealing or by providing further information that makes them more confident in the purchase. So, as you can see, I'm not focusing at all on likes, followers, comments, or any other vanity metric. For me, what's important is that I'm getting my Instagram followers and feed visitors into my marketing funnel. So, no matter what your business is, you should be able to adopt these tips and start seeing results right away. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell so you never miss another video from me. Have a great day, guys, and I will see you next time.